my name is Tiffany and today you'll be travelling with me to go to Germany. I'm so excited, honestly. Adam Ridge just said he's got a fat butt.
Huh? Yeah.
Oh, God, the really fat butt. No, I'm skinny.
You're just special.
Det betyder ju inte.
We're going on holiday. This is a bit of a ruckus. Oh, I love you too. Okay, so now we're at the apartment in Schwangau. I think that's how you call it, but it's got two bathrooms, one that just has the toilet and the other one which is this giant room. Hey, look at me. Yeah. And look at this shower. Like, honestly, we're joking about how all 5 of us could fit in this. It's insane. Actually insane. I've never seen anything so big. But this, if we go in here, is the master bedroom, so I guess where my parents will be. That's very, very cute, and the painting is just so funny. It's lovely in here. It's very like minimalistic, and oh, hello again. It is me. It is I think honestly sometimes I'm way cooler than I actually am. So we'll come out of here, and then this leads into the second bedroom, which sleeps 4. Oh, hello. Yeah, here's my bed. I'm saying that's mine. James has already chosen his bed. He thinks the top bunk will be very cool. So I guess Adam got final choice. But yeah, so they have lovely bedrooms, like I said, very minimalistic. And then look at this living space. It's got a little dining table with a beautiful sofa. And like, look at this. It's so comfy as well. We've got a little garden. They even gave us a Nintendo Switch, like, just to use. That's actually insane. And then we've got a lovely little kitchen. Yeah, it's very cute.
Ammerberg turns slightly right and becomes Mitteldorf.
Lovely. She is lovely.
Well, that's an alright little bunch, isn't it?
We're just kind of chilling at the minute, because there's a thunderstorm going on, so yeah, we're just kind of relaxing. I mean, this is a really interesting angle. Hi. We're watching Daz on YouTube on the TV. I got YouTube on. So yeah, just kind of chilling, relaxing. Currently reading some of my book. It's As Good as Dead by Holly Jackson. I have read the first 2 books and I'm halfway through this one. It's really good. But obviously you can't read this without the other 2 because they carry on. But I'm trying to aim to complete the whole entire series before July 1st because that's when the film comes out. So I'm so excited. As good as good. Look at the view. It's beautiful.
Pardon?
It's beautiful.
It's so lovely here.
It is very nice.
Yeah,
It's just mountains, literally everywhere.
It's a very lovely location.
It's really nice.
just, you know, the weather, unfortunately, is letting us.
Yeah, but we're near the mountains, so it's clearly why it's not rain. Whee! Oh, my bum. Ow. I'm the heavy carrier. I'm carrying my baggage. Wait, so I'm so confused. It's a tree walk.
Do it.
We're doing a tree walk. We're doing a tree walk.
Tree walk.
I'm nervous. Yes. Let's go. Ooh! That is high.
No, you're not.
That is high.
You take your pill.
As long as it's not a wobbly bridge. Whoa!
You will get directed, man. Okay.
Is it?
Yeah, not do. I do not do that. Oh,
Oh god, it's wobbling. It's wobbling. Why are you wobbling?
God's so wicked too.
Why is it wobbling?
This?
As I've booked in, is it going a lot there?
It's wobbling.
Come well.
Oh, I don't like this. Oh, I'm feeling travel sick.
No, no.
No, she.
Okay, I'll stop waiting.
Great for water rafting. It's very loud.
Very loud.
Very loud. Oh my god, you can feel it. The flux of water are freezing. Really cool. There's a statue.
Boys, you come here. Boys, come here. Oh, yeah.
Watching something.
You're watching something?
No, I'm
What are you
bored.
going to watch?
Funfairs, but
Funfairs. Okay, pause it here. Pause it here. Pause it here. I'll put the funfairs on.
I don't.
Oh.
I don't.
Ah, spat all me tea out.
Oh, not on my duvet.
Huh?
Was that on my duvet? Adam. Yeah, what about that?
In a mini ramp site.
It's not mini, it's a normal size. This has really become a walking holiday. This is like, God knows how many walks I've had in the past 48 hours. But today's choice is by a lake in Futton. My parents have actually taken my brothers in the opposite direction, and they were like, we're gonna do the whole entire walk for 2 hours. Go and do what you want. And I'm like, so I'm still gonna walk, but I'm not gonna walk the whole 2 hours because that's actually insane. Since travelling to Spain on my own last year, I've really realised that I love to travel on my own. Like, I love to see new things at my own pace and my own kind of timetable. Like, the mountains, like, honestly, and they do like rowing and stuff here, which most of my family wouldn't do. I think this is the best hot girl walk I've had in ages. I know this whole video is literally me just going, it's so pretty, it's so cute, I love this. But honestly, the natural beauty in this place is out of this world. I've been to beautiful places, like I've been to Lake Como when I was little, been to Italy, I've been to Spain, Austria, I've been literally so many places, but never this simple, but so amazing. Like literally, not even like a minute ago, like literally a minute ago, there was like a lady asking me, like, I was saying German, don't know what I know. She was like asking me to take a photo, like, of the family, and yeah, so you know, it's just such a lovely place, everyone's so nice. See, when I say that was the best soup of my life, no joking. It was so good. It was like a tomato and basil, which was like really peppery, and it had like croutons. It was so good. So I'm just chilling, right? As you do, we're having a bit of rain. So Adam, who's kind of lying on me, is watching a travel vlog.